Hello traders, and welcome to this new video on the KNOWPO trading channel. So trading system known as knowledge is the power. Of course, I'm sure that each trader is aware of that. I will speak about the indices, US indices today. I will also show you one European index, which is the DAX. And I will show you the state of US indices, and I will begin with the nasdaq, where we are at the top of the long-term channel, which was formed in the past 25 years, and in the first and the second phase of this 25 years it was bound to the lower boundary 1, 2, 3 times touch. This is the 15-day chart, and if you can see, from 2020 we had one exponential upside run, then a pullback during the COVID and sorry, not the COVID, but the Russia-Ukraine war, and again runoff similar to this one, and we are reaching the top of this channel. So why am I cautious here? Because of this fractal. So we had similar situation here, and we now have consolidation around the top. I will switch to, let's say, 3 days charts so we can see better this kind of consolidation at the top. So basically we have a kind of broken triangle to the upside, but that does not mean anything, because we are bound to this upside resistance, which is around 22,400, and the rejection here could lead to again to a test of 20,370 in the medium term. So unless we have a significant break, and we still don't have that kind of significant break, I will redraw the line, and now on the daily chart it looks like a bearish flag. So I will first try with a short trade here to target 20,300, and the stop loss should be above 22,500, based on your risk preference and your risk management. Okay, so this is my first proposition. If we will be stopped and we will have a continuous run to the upside, then this will be not this will not be a third wave top long term, but instead it would be an extension of a third wave long term. Okay, let me switch to one more interesting US index, which is in a totally different situation and setup, and that is the Dow Jones. And on a 15 days chart you can see that also the Dow Jones is rejected from the channel top 45,500, and is now in a triangle consolidation, which can be bearish as well. But we need to see this break, and it is reaching the apex, which means that we will move in one direction. If we go higher, there is a 45,400. If we go lower, then we have a much bigger space. So I'm more inclined to taking a short trade here with the again narrow stop, and targeting 43,000. By stop should be a little less, above 45,050. DAX also is a European index, and in a different situation, and similar to Nasdaq, and it has reached the top, this long-term top of the channel, which is 23,000, almost 23,000, almost tagged the 23,000 and reversed lower. And also I can propose the short trade setup, here with the stop loss just above 23,000, to target much lower, because the target could be here at 20,500. And let me switch to a daily chart. As far as European indices are concerned, they are about to reverse, because they had a long upside run which was not so justified by fundamentals at all, and it was because of the European Central Bank easing and some expectations on the European market. So now we have a reversal ongoing, and we had a big daily red candle. So the short trade here is something that will give you a good opportunity, for especially after the election results in Germany. So the DAX is known by its corrections that can be really violent after the long run, like this one here, for example, or this one here. Okay, that is all for this indices overview. I wish you all good trading in the rest of the trading day, and if you want to learn this system of trading, where you can find on all the assets available opportunities, highly profitable with a high probability in trading in under 15 minutes, then you can register for training with me one-on-one. Thank you for watching this. Subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed, and have a nice rest of the trading day. Bye.